battens must be fixed to the building with spaces of no more than 600mm between the centres. This may have to be decreased in areas of high wind loading. The battens used must be the correct size. A clear cavity space of a minimum of 30mm should be left to the rear of the planks. When battens are installed, there must be a gap left between the top of the batten and the underside of the soffit, that is a minimum of 10mm. A minimum gap of 150mm is required from the ground level to the bottom of the battens. Fix a waterproof strip onto every vertical timber batten. This is to ensure the batten is protected from moisture ingress. Perforated closures allow ventilation through continuous airflow to occur without allowing pests to gain access to the cavity. These must be fitted at the bottom of the installation, below window sills, above window heads, and at the top of the installation along the soffit line. Position, level, and then screw the vertical profiles into place. Genuine Cedral profiles will always have a Cedral logo embossed onto each of the aluminium profiles. Ensure the Cedral Click starter profile is level and then screw into place. The first Cedral Click plank is fitted onto the Cedral Click start profile and fixed with clips on every supporting batten. Check this is level and both sides of the clip are slotted fully onto the tongue of the plank before screwing into place with a Cedral Click screw.